Hi guys, this is our last ASL lesson, ASL lesson 4. If you guys want to do more later on, then maybe we could. We'll just have to see. But at least for now, this is the last lesson. It's a super fun lesson on food and eat, drink, hungry, thirsty, things like that. So it'll be super fun. So I wanted to remind you guys too, and I can't remember if I've talked about this very much. I know I've talked about your eyebrows with questions. If questions requiring information, your eyebrows go down. So I want to talk about that a little bit before we get started. Okay, first of all, yes, so your eyebrows, there are 2 rules for the eyebrows because sometimes, depending on the question, your eyebrows go down, okay? And sometimes your eyebrows will go up. And it kind of makes sense though, because lots of times we do this generally. Okay, so for example, number 1 on the sheet that I sent to you, I say, remember, eyebrows to go down for questions that require information. So for example, if you're asking somebody's name, that is information that you would need back. Okay, so your eyebrows would go down. So we say, what is your name? Okay, or today we're going to talk about restaurants. Or well, last week we talked about favorite colors. Okay, so if you're asking somebody their favorite color, your eyebrows will go down, right? Because you're wanting information. So what is your favorite color? Okay, so now a different way is that when you're asking a question and you are requiring a yes/no answer, like, did you like that restaurant? Okay, then your eyebrows will go up. And if you think about it, we naturally do that. Do you want to come with me? Let's see. Is your favorite color red? Okay, but when we ask questions that require information, our eyebrows go down. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to know that because in our practice sentences, we have a lot of questions, okay? Most of them are ones that require hungry, I just saw the word hungry. Anyway, that require information back, but some of them are yes/no questions. So yes/no questions go up and requiring information questions go down. Okay. All right, so I have on there to review those signs. Some of them are from 2 weeks ago. Some of them are from last week. And we always have to review numbers because numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, well, especially 6, 7, 8, and 9 are hard and they're easy to mix up, okay? Okay, now I haven't done 11 through 20, but you guys can do that on your own, okay? Because they're all over the internet. You can always look for those. Okay. So review the signs, review some of those sentences, okay, like I like to watch TV, okay, or my dad doesn't like to draw. Now I want you to tell these sentences, especially for the parents. Yeah, this is not correct English grammar when I have practice signing the sentences. But what I write down is the sign that you will do. That's why it's in all caps and everything. So that's what you write down the sign. But obviously when you're talking to somebody, you wouldn't say, you hungry, want food? You know, but like if you're talking in English, but if you're talking in ASL, then yes, you would say that. You hungry, want food? Okay, so that's what that means. I just want you to know that those are the signs that you would do. Okay, because obviously ASL doesn't have A and the is, am, are, things like that. So, okay, all right, so now let's do some new vocabulary. All right, first of all, the first one is eat or food. It's the same sign, okay? So you just take, I call it our smashed O sign, or hand shape, I mean. Okay, you take your smashed O hand shape and you can put it right in front of your lips. I don't usually because lots of deaf people read lips all the time, but you can do it either way. I always put it kind of to the right, just a little bit. Okay, so it's eat or food. Eat is usually 1 time, food is twice, but it doesn't matter. Okay, eat, they'll get the point. They'll know what you're talking about. Okay, so that's eat or food, just to the right of your chin. And then drink is just like you would think it is. Okay, you make a C hand. Okay, make a C hand and you just drink. I'll do it from the side so y'all can see. Drink, drink. Okay. Okay, the next one is hungry. Hungry is you take that same C hand. Okay, you put it on your chest like this. Okay, so you can see. And you bring it down. So that's like your, I don't know, esophagus going to your stomach maybe, and it's empty. I don't know. I was trying to think of ways for y'all to remember. Okay, so hungry. Okay, hungry. All right, so if you want to say, are you hungry? It's a yes, no question. So your eyebrows will go up, right? Are you hungry? Okay. Okay, the next one is thirsty. Thirsty is like usually if your throat is dry, you are thirsty. So you take your index finger, your first finger, you put it just below your chin and you bring it down. Thirsty. Are you thirsty? Okay. All right, the next one is breakfast. Now breakfast, lunch, and dinner are all right here. There's a couple different ways to do this sign, but I'm gonna teach you the easiest one. Depending on where you live in the US is how you do it, but they will all know it if you do it this way, okay? Okay, so you know how eat and food are right here. So you will do breakfast is with a B right here. Now make sure this is a different sign, so don't put it in the front. Put it on the side and just kind of go like this. Okay, you just kind of hit it 2 or 3 times, kind of circle. Okay, so breakfast. Lunch is with an L. Put the thumb on your chin or just to the right where you would do eat or food and then circle it. Okay, lunch. Or dinner is with your D, okay? And then D, dinner, okay? So you have breakfast. Don't go like this, but the top of the tips of your fingers there, okay? Breakfast. But then lunch, you do use your thumb. Lunch and dinner, okay? So, very good. Okay, so the next one is hamburger. Hamburger is you just make the hamburger, okay? Just like you would do. Hamburger, okay? Hamburger. It's like when your mom is, or you, I guess, maybe, when you're taking the meat and you're making your hamburger, okay? So that's hamburger. French fries is with an F. Remember our F? French fries is you just move it like from to the left side to the right side. French fries, okay? French fries. So you just move it left to right. Okay. Now, want is on here, but it's down here at the end. But I'm going to do it now just so, and I'll do it later too, just so I want to do some sentences. Okay. So want is you put your hands in front of you. Do you remember how we did what? What was kind of like this? Okay. It's the same thing, that same hand shape. Okay. Like this, kind of curved up just a bit. And you bring it towards you and you close them into fists. Want, okay? Want. So how would we say, do you want to eat breakfast, right? Do you, right? Point. Do you want to eat breakfast, right? Eyebrows up, right? Or if you wanted to say, what do you want for breakfast? You don't need to say do. You don't say that. So what, and actually, sorry, you put your eyebrows down. So what do you want for, this is for, sorry, it's not in there. Actually, I'll add it at the very end. Okay, for breakfast. Okay, okay, awesome. So the next thing, so we've done hamburger, we've done French fries. The next one is soda. Soda is kind of a fun, weird sign. I think it comes from when you're flipping the tab up, but what you do is you take your second finger, okay? You put your second finger, well, you take your left hand, you make a hole like this, okay? Okay, so you take your second finger, you put it in the hole, and then you pop it up like this. Soda, okay? Does everybody see? Soda. Soda, all right? I guess if I stand kind of to the side, that would help. Soda, so do you want soda? Do you want soda? Or we know favorite, right? So you could say, what's your favorite soda? What is your favorite, remember favorite soda, right? Eyebrows down. Okay. The next one is water, which our moms would all be much more happy if we drank water instead of soda. So water is a W. You guys remember W at your chin. Okay. Water. Okay. Water. So lots of signs are up there today, right? Because they're eating and food and things like that. Okay. So water is a W at your chin. You just hit it twice. Okay. Okay. So do you want soda or water? You would say, do you want soda or water, right? Okay, so the next one is restaurants. You can talk about your favorite restaurant. Restaurant needs to make an R. You start on the right side of your chin and you move it to your left, or you can move it from left to right, it doesn't matter. Okay, restaurant. And so obviously it's up near your mouth because you eat at a restaurant. So a lot of our signs today are up near our mouth, so that makes it easier, okay? Restaurant. The next one is pancakes. Pancakes is super fun. That's why I always like to do this sign. Okay, so you take your hands, both of them palms up. Okay, now, so this is your pancake. Okay, so you flip it up and over. Now, don't do it real quick like this because this is a sign for cook. Okay, so you have to make sure you flip your hand, you move your hand up and then back down. Okay, so pancakes, like you're flipping the pancakes. All right, so the next one is bacon. Bacon is you take two fingers, both hands, put them together so you're drawing the bacon. Okay, so then you go like this. Bacon. Okay, here, I'll show it like this just so you can see bacon. Well, you can't do it that way. Very good. Okay, so bacon. So if you could say you want pancakes and bacon, do you want pancakes and bacon? Okay. Okay, good. Now the next one is cookies and then milk. You have to do cookies and milk because that's our dessert, right? Okay. Sorry, my allergies bother me. Okay, cookie. Take your left hand, palm up. Right hand, you kind of make I guess it's that claw shape again. You put it on your hand and you rotate it. Okay, you turn it. Cookie, cookie. Okay, so then the next one, so this is cookie. The next one is milk. Milk is like you're milking a cow, okay? Milk. So if you wanted to say, do you want cookies and milk? You don't need to say and, right? You would just say, do you want cookies and milk? Okay? Oh, eyebrows up. Sorry. Okay, then the next one is want, which we already know, right? Because we've used that a lot. Want. Okay, the next one is with. So if you want to say, come with me to play outside or whatever. With is you take your two A hands. See, A hands, remember, A is on the thumbs are on the side. You put them like this, palms together, and you put them together like this, okay? With. So come with me. Please come with me, right? Okay, now this is OIC as in, okay, I understand, I get it, things like that. And that's the deaf people just call it OIC. Which, so if somebody tells you like, I like pancakes and bacon, you know, for breakfast, you'd say, oh, I see. So you take your Y hand, right? Because this is Y, kind of put it down, face down, palms down, and you go like this, okay? Oh, I see. So you'd say, oh, I see. If somebody says their favorite color is red, somebody tells you, my favorite color is red. You say, oh, I see. I understand. So this is used a lot, okay? Then the next one is time. So if your mom wanted to tell you it's time to eat dinner, she would say it's time, because you're just pointing to your watch, right? It's time to eat dinner, right? Okay. The next one is please. I can't remember if we've done please and thank you, so I just want to make sure. Okay, please is you put your hand on your chest, palm on your chest, and you circle it. Make sure it's flat because this is a sign for sorry. Okay, so make sure your hand is flat and you just circle it once. Please. So please come here, right? Please come Oh, we haven't done here. Let's do now. So please come now, right? Okay, please, and then thank you. Thank you, I can't remember if we've done thank you. So thank you is your palm is on your chin and you bring it forward. Okay, so good is like this because it hits your left hand. And thank you is you just bring it down. You don't hit your hands. You say thank you. Okay, awesome. So I'll just do 2 of the sentences and then we'll be done. And then you guys can practice and be sure to review all of the signs, but you just use them a lot because we've learned a lot of family signs, colors, and now we've learned a lot of foods. You can talk about eating or going out to eat, playing outside, things like that. So try to use these signs as much as you can every day, okay? Like if you wanted to ask, are you finished eating lunch? You could say, are you finished eat lunch, right? Circle or hit whatever, okay? Please drink your water now. Please drink your water now, right? What about, are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Okay. Remember, like with my eyebrows, do you want to eat breakfast? Do you want to eat breakfast? Okay, eyebrows up. Okay, so I have a couple activities on there of just discussing your favorite, if you like pancakes and bacon or hamburgers and french fries. You can talk about your favorite sodas, your favorite restaurants, your favorite food, because then you can always just finger spell your favorite food. Okay, I so wish I could do this class in front of you, but I hope this is helping. I hope you are learning. Please let me know if you are. It's been a lot of fun and I really hope you have enjoyed it. So enjoy signing and let me know if you have any questions.